Hello, my name is Terry. It's 25th of September 2017. I'm going to show y'all my bug out bag. Now it's not real fancy, it's not all military setup and everything, even though I am prior military. But most of my military gear that I used to have, which was a lot, I ended up losing through a divorce and having to sell a lot of my stuff, and so I only got like a small portion of what I actually did have. So a lot of my stuff that I do have now is store bought, mostly from Walmart and a few other places that I can get real cheap. But I'm gonna show you what I have. Don't be too critical, but criticizing about it. It's work in progress. But if something happened, I know I can actually grab my bag and live out of it for at least 3 or 4 days. But I'll let you see it, see what you think. Maybe you can do better. Uh, Here's what we got. Alright, the first thing I have is my tent. I bought this for, how much was it? $12 at Walmart. It was on clearance. It's a Scout Junior dome tent. And it was actually meant for a kid, but it does fit 2 adults. So it's not a bad little tent. Only bad part is it's not camouflage or anything, so it kind of does stand out, but you get what you pay for. Alright. Now this I don't have spread out, but it's a tarp. And if anything, I can use this to put down on the ground to keep me from sleeping on wet ground. Or I can make it into another tent. Or I can just use it to keep rain off of me. I mean, it's not a little bad thing to have. It only cost me like $6 at Walmart. And to help out, if I had to make a tent with it, I went ahead and got some clothing line, so I can tie it off the one tree to another. And right here, I have a compass. But I also have another compass right here. That way, I should be able to find my way around in the woods or wherever I'm at. And this is what everybody should have. It's a survival book. It'll tell you how to make a structure, how to hunt, what plants you can eat. Even tells you how to make soap. Real good book to have. And then I have cooking fuel. This comes in handy with a little stove like this. And then my cooking utensils. And this is the food that I have. I used to have MREs, but I don't have those no more. When I actually get the money to buy some, I will get those. Trust me, they taste a lot better. And I have this, a little hatchet. Be great if I need to cut up some wood or make a shelter. I got some gloves, leather gloves. And this is pretty much like my little first aid kit. I got weatherproof tape, or waterproof tape, my bad. Gauze, I got 3 of those. An emergency blanket, a means of making fire, and little small toothbrush, a container for soap, Gold Bond baby powder for jock itch and foot fungus and all that good stuff, sewing kit, and a flashlight and a knife. And guess what? I also have toilet paper. And this right here is my bug out bag. Believe it or not, I found it in the trash, and it is a real good bug out bag. It's got a little bit of mildew on it and stuff like that, but it holds all my stuff, and so I get a better bag and everything it'll do. I do have 2 weapon cleaning pouches on there that can clean M16s and military grade weapons. Like I said, I did have more stuff, but I lost it in a divorce. I ain't trying to blame it on a divorce. It's just around about the time that I was going through financial problems and everything. You know, I was also going through a divorce. So, but I am trying to get a lot of my military stuff back because it'd be more practical and easier to use than civilian stuff. But it's also costly, so it's gonna take time. But each and every person should have some type of bug out bag or survival bag or get home bag. These things could be any size, but there's certain things that you gotta have in it. Some way of making a fire, some way of collecting or having some water, food, even if it's just a power bar or something like that. And what else is there? Usually a good way of purifying water, which I also have right here. I don't think I actually showed you. Right there. It's a Sawyer straw. I can hook up this right here to a water bottle and drink it out from right there. Or I could fill this pouch up right here and hook it up to the straw, and it works just as good. And this right here, I call it my shithole digger. All it is a little shovel that I bought for $3 at Walmart. Excuse me. And it folds out, and you can dig a little hole so you can go use the restroom out in the woods or wherever. I mean, there's a lot of reasons that you can use this, but I use it for digging shitholes. Alright. Well, y'all keep thinking about what y'all want to add to y'all's bag. I'm going to keep improving on mine, making it better, more proficient, and let's hope we never have to use them. Alright, y'all have a good day.